Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're changing diff oil. So you're gonna need some 75W90 for the front. And you're gonna need some 75-140 for the back. So the back needs 1.25 and the front, well, it's till it starts coming out of the drain plug on the side. So for the rear, use a little funnel, or you can use one of these if you got one of these, and that makes life a little simpler. 17mm for the rear, for the drain plug underneath, and for the side filler plug, which is plastic. So, and get yourself a ratchet. T5 for the little drain plug on for underneath, for the front. A T8 for the side filler plug in the front. A rag, and that's about it. And a drain pan. If you don't have a drain pan, well, use your wife's bowl, don't tell her. 17 to begin. So basically, which crawler might be tight. So basically, it's the center one right here that you're removing. Let me grab the camera, show you guys. So this is it right here. It's dripping because I've already loosened it. So I'm using the wife's pan because I want to see if it was worth changing my oil, because I'm curious. So there you go. Don't make a mess like I did. Let's see at the end of the shoot. If we got metal, well, don't drop it. If you don't have any big chunks, you can have small little things. So we'll let that drain out. That's why it's important to rag. All right, so basically, let's see, just a little bit of gray, no metal particles, so looks pretty good. Yeah, just like a dust shaving, that's it. So that's all that's on there. So get yourself a rag and a flat screwdriver, and we're going to wrap around. So basically, as you can see, it's all this stuff here. The magnet grabs, so grab yourself a rag and then stick it in there with a flat screwdriver or anything to wrap around. Try to get all of it out. So keep cleaning around like so. So that'll be ready. Okay, so now we'll take the fill plug out, get ready. So while this is draining, and the drain plug is right here. So and here also you can see, let me wipe it, we're right here. As long as you're in between these two, you're in the safe margin. Better to be closer to the top, closer to the bottom then. But that's that for that. That's for the drain, for the rear. So try to speed this up. God bless you. So now we're gonna do the drain in the front. You can use an extension if you don't want to get your knuckles close to the edge. All right, so the front is on the driver's side, right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there. Hopefully you see it. So, loosen it up. Ooh. And check out the end, see if we got thing we don't want to see. All right, so take a look at this. It's got a little bit of gunk, but no metal shavings, just dust. So we'll clean this on and off. It's just a magnet at the end. So that's it. It's got an O-ring, this one. Doesn't have a, so that's for the front. Now let's remove the drain plug with the T8, the filler plug, I should say. All right, and that's on the side right here. All right, so basically, I'm not gonna take it back off to show you guys. So basically what I did was I grabbed the quarter screwdriver, the drive with an extension that had flexibility in it. I stuck it in the hole, I pushed it, and I was able to turn it a quarter turn, and it grabbed. And then I was able to stick my finger on top and start spinning in, and then I tighten it up. So that's the way I did it. And yeah, it sucked. So anybody that's a mechanic out there or whatever, if you have a better idea. So in the meanwhile, we finished topping the rear. It's done. So all I need left to do is put this on there, check if I got enough oil, and tighten it back in with the 17. That's it. And what's on this side? So yeah, so basically make sure it's right to that line. And as you can see, the oil difference, the shine, no shine. So she's good. Screw it back in. This doesn't need to be tight. A little snug. And yeah, so basically if you got no cream in your oil, and it's not creamy like chocolate or cream or whatever, like where's my bowl? In the front here. So basically right here, if it's still clear like that on your finger, basically your seals are doing a really good job and you got it in time, because anytime, like, look, she's still golden, you can see. So yeah, that's what you're hoping to see when you change it. So thanks for watching, guys, and appreciate you all like you wouldn't believe. So I know I don't even have 200 subscribers, but guess what? Every time you guys leave me a comment or whatever, I know I don't answer right away because I'm trucking and I'm in a lot of zones with no internet or whatever, and obviously you can't stay beside a computer and watch if somebody's going to send you something. But anyways, appreciate it all, and I like talking to you guys, and it's fun. So we'll see you on the next one, and be safe for now. We'll catch you later. Bye. When you do this front end one there, if it goes in right away there, maybe I can try. Just say you dodged the bullet. Are you gonna try? You want me to be the camera? I can be the camera guy. All right. Can't say that, babe. Out of there. You're gonna have to delete. We're gonna delete this whole section. Are you? Oh, you can keep filming. We can show the effing frustration that a simple little thing that Can-Am could have put a curve in their little thingy just to make it straight, that any idiot could have grabbed an extension and put it straight in there, or put it a little higher to put more oil in that thing. But no, they said it's an afterthought. Stupid idiots. They go, well, everybody's got 6-inch long fingers. Won't be a problem. You grab it, babe, or just push it to the side here so I can grab it there.
Oh, fuck it.
Oh, good swear bomb again. Jeez. You gotta go to church? We'll have to edit that out for sure. Yeah. But no, I don't see it anymore. She's gone. Yeah, I don't know what you did to it, but I give up.
All right, cut that.